Good afternoon, Nigerians. Good afternoon, my Labour Party faithfuls. I, CALLISTUS OKAFOR, the one-time National Vice Chairman Southeast of Labour Party, one-time Deputy National Chairman of Labour Party, one-time Acting National Chairman of Labour Party, and as of today, Factional National Chairman of Labour Party. I and my team, we have carefully looked at what is happening in Nigeria, in the Labour Party as a party. Look at all the troubles, crises that have been going on since 7 years. And we look at it and we say to ourselves, how long will this continue? And in the last 1 week, the National Working Committee, the National Executive Council meeting of my faction, my own faction, we met severally and we took a decision. And we said to ourselves, this is the time. And I hereby today to announce to Nigerians and all the Labour Party faithfuls who are under my own faction, I hereby announce to you today, based on the decision of the National Executive Council, that we pull out today as a team, as a group from Labour Party, the over 5 million Nigerians who are under my control as a Factional National Chairman of Labour Party, we hereby today pull out from Labour Party to Team Wazobia, Nigeria. Team Wazobia, Nigeria. Team Wazobia, Nigeria is a non-partisan organization, is a movement. I will talk about it later. This crisis has come to a point where it's no longer healthy in Labour Party. We put so many things on the table. We looked at where are we going to? Who are we going to meet? But the good news is, we look at Labour Party where we have just left from now. We look at the candidate, His Excellency Peter Obi. You are aware I was in court December 2021. He entered around May in 2022. And when he came, what did he do? He supported Abure, who has become his arch enemy today. He supported him in everything he do. You are aware, somebody like the National Treasurer, Mrs. Olushi Opara, said many times about embezzlement in Labour Party. He never said anything. I assure you, when Peter Obi entered Labour Party, if Peter Obi had called me, CALLISTUS, come here as my brother, or call every other person, say, come, let's sit down. I assure you, Labour Party would have gone into that election in one mind, with one mind. But he couldn't do that. He ran an election. Of course, all of us know the story today. But now, after the election, people like us expected that as a man, media portrays Mr. Right, a man, media says he's the best, a man who is Mr. Right. As they say, charity begins at home. My question is, a man who cannot put his heart in order, the Labour Party is just a small party, it's just one political party among all others. I guess we're about 18 or 19 political parties that is in existence today. But only one political party, Labour Party, he could not keep us together. He could not bring us together. He could not sit us down. As that man who press and social media has made it look like he is our Messiah. He is the one who will give us what we need. You see, this is not time for sentiment. This is time for reality. This is time for Nigeria to move forward. This is time for Nigerians to bring on board or support a man who is ready to take Nigeria to the next level. So you can see, if he can't govern Labour Party, for me, he can't govern Nigeria. And that is why I have to leave Labour Party. We also put on the table PDP. PDP is I don't know whether I would say their crisis is worse than that of Labour Party. You can see their governors decamping every day into APC. You can see the National Assembly members every day on the floor of National Assembly. 1, 2, 3, 4 senators or House of Assembly, National Assembly members will be decamping. You see them decamping into APC. What it means that the APC is the happening party as of today. We brought APC on the table and we said to ourselves, three presidential candidates, or those people we believe that they are the ones. As of today, we know. We don't know other ones that we're coming up tomorrow, but as of today, we talk about His Excellency ATIKU Abubakar, His Excellency P2B. We're talking about His Excellency the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, in person of Ahmed Tinubu. We look at their CV. We look at their history. If His Excellency, Mr. President, is only person that will contest, in as much as up to today, he has not declared his intention for 2027. But let's assume, as a sitting president, that he's going to contest 2027. Now, look at his history. From AC to ACN, from ACN, then the merge with CPC become APC. This is one man that has never jumped from one political party to another. Look, this is the same man who beat his chest and said, "It's my turn." You don't beat your chest when you don't have anything to show for it. You don't beat your chest and say, it's my turn to lead Nigerians. You must have put structures. What are these structures? Polling unit, local government, ward, local government, states. A man who has made people. Look at how many governors has he made, how many ministers, how many House of Rep members, how many senators. And you see, the rest is story. 2023 general election was the evidence of that word he said and beat his chest and said, "It's my turn." And his turn. When considering what he's doing, what he has done in Nigeria, I, CALLISTUS OKAFOR, and my 5 million Nigerians who are behind me, we want to tell Mr. President, carry go. We will align ourselves. I and my followers will align ourselves to the moving trend. We will align ourselves for people who work, people who are working for Nigerians, people who has turned the narrative of Abuja. Come on, look at Abuja today. When you look at Abuja, I have lived in Western world for many years, and I see that Abuja, as of today, look like a city of Hamburg, city of Paris. Come on, we must be that people. When people do good, you applaud them. When they do bad, give them, criticize them for them to take corrections. For me, I'm not only a critic. I am a man that when people do good, I applaud them. I applaud Mr. President. I applaud His Excellency, the Minister of FCT, Nelson Wike. I applaud you. You are doing very well. Keep it up. In Igbo land, when we say Jidekiji, means Liji Homa. Jidekiji Wike. Mr. President, I, CALLISTUS OKAFOR, and my team, we say Jidekiji, Makine Mofuma. Ndi binds ni name ofuma. I'm a boy came in name ofuma. In name ofuma in a such a way that, look at, immediately you came in, you remove subsidy. Today, yes, people are not saying it because people want it now. Rebuilding a nation is not easy. It's not a one-day thing. It's not something you start today and achieve it today. The dividends of what Mr. President have done today, we are going to see it in the next 2-3 years. His economic team is doing very well. his team, his Federal Executive Council, they are doing very well. Look at infrastructure, what is happening. Come on, look at the Lagos Calabar Road. Look at so many others. I will give pressmen, I'll give you the achievements of Mr. President. We are talking about a man who keep his political party together. Yes, since tongue and teeth will fight, husband and wife fight, there will always be a fight in a political party. But the question is, how do you handle it? Who is the head? Who is the moderator? Who is the coordinator? Who gives instructions and people listen? And this man has hold Labour APC in the last many years now, and you can see there are issues, but you can't hear it out there. Now, I want to tell Nigerians, I, CALLISTUS OKAFOR, hereby accept the position of National Coordinator of Team Wazobia, Nigeria. And having accepted that Team Wazobia, I'm here to thank the members of Team Wazobia, especially the founder of Team Wazobia, in person of Chief Ikenga Okegbu. I greet you, sir. I want to also let you know, if you recall, Chief Ikenga Okegbu was my candidate, Labour Party governorship candidate in Imo State in the last election. And he is now the founder of Team Wazobia. Team Wazobia, I assure you, Team Wazobia is not like every other movement like TAN that is no longer in existence, or the Obedient of Today. Obedient Today is a movement in social media and in newspapers. But Wazobia, Team Wazobia Nigeria, is a team, is a movement that is in polling units, in wards, local government, states, and in Nigeria. And I assure you, this man has determined to use Team Wazobia to bring Mr. President back. It doesn't matter how many people, it doesn't matter how many alliances that is going on. It doesn't matter how many people want to come together. Let me tell you, as they are all coming together, Team Wazobia, we are here. We are going to tell them that we are doing our thing, the things we know how to do very well. That is grassroots politics. From that of wards, polling units, local government, states, and the federal. If you recall, one of the problems of Labour Party in leadership of the Abure was that even in the polling unit there was no agents. There was no agents. You can't give what you don't have. My happiness is that, you see, whenever you create a monster, whenever you support evil, whenever you support unconstitutional situation, I'm telling you that whatever goes around comes around. The monster they created is now hunting them. CALLISTUS OKAFOR and my team, we're not the one hunting anybody. I'm only here today to tell Nigerians that enough is enough. It's time. I have never moved from one political party to another before. I've been in Labour Party from 2005 until today. And I have a reasonable reason, countless reasons to leave. It's no longer good for my mental health. At this point, I want to thank you, members of the press. I want to thank you, my fellow Nigerians. I want to let all of you know that in the next few days, I will let you know whether I, CALLISTUS OKAFOR, my team, whether we want to move to any political party. If we will move, I will talk about the APC. But for now, we are no longer members of any political party. I am now the acting national coordinator of Team Wazobia, Nigeria. Thank you very much.